It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just like jumping straight into it, guys. I have a wig install for y'all, and I have not done a wig install by myself in a while. So this wig was sent to me by RPGSHOW, and this is their Maya wig, guys. This is a long honey brown curly human hair wig, and that's what it looks like. It's already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, just everything, and it has Swiss transparent lace, which is just amazing. It comes with like an elastic band already sewn in, as well as adjustable straps and combs. This is the wig directly outside of the packaging on my head. I love how the knots are. The lace is just amazing. This lace is easy for creating like a skin melt, like it'll melt directly into your skin just like that because of how nice and smooth the lace is, as well as the color. Really beautiful. I like how the knots are. Everything is just ready to go. You literally can just cut the excess off and wear this wig with maybe like a little bit of spray, or if you can tighten the cap enough, you don't have to wear it with anything because this is a glueless cap construction, so you definitely don't have to do the extra. You can just like cut the lace off and wear it like that. But I wanted to try a new glue today, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm just cleaning off my forehead with some alcohol, guys, and I'm going in with a Bold Hold skin protectant. It's my first time trying that. Let me see if that works for me, because every time I use glue, my skin be either like getting burns or maybe like scrapes or cuts. I don't know why. My skin is just really sensitive. So I'm using the Bold Hold Active, and I'm going in with 2 layers today. The first layer is very thin, and then after I dry that down, I'll go in with the next layer. And guys, this hair though, like the quality is so amazing. I can't get over it. It fits really good. Like all the details and the specs of the hair will be in the description box below. And guys, this is a 13x4 frontal, and it is transparent Swiss lace, which is great. Like you need that on your wigs. Like girl, if you're not doing like transparent lace right now, what are you doing? But yeah guys, that's what's happening. I did add a layer of the Bold Hold Active. This is my first time using this glue, and I'm pretty impressed because it held my hair really snug. And then I'm gonna add a second layer, and then I'm going to install my wig. And guys, the wig did come in a box as well as with a silk satin wig bag kind of thing, like a carrier bag. You know, if you're going away anywhere, you can use it versus bringing a box. That's really cool for traveling. And you have, like, you don't need to do much to this. You don't have to bleach it. You don't have to do anything because that's already done for you. So big shout outs to RPGSHOW for providing this wig, because y'all, this wig is amazing. Definitely something to have. And I love the color. The color is really nice versus like, you know, the regular black. I like the color of this. Really nice and very calm and subtle, but still just very nice. This honey brown is just really amazing. So I'm just gonna line my wig up, and yeah, after I get it situated how I want it, I'll just like press the hair into the glue. And yeah, make sure to line your wig up, guys, first where you want it before actually pressing it into the skin, because you know, once you start pressing it in the skin, then that's it, it's over. You can't like take it off. You'll just have like a mess to clean up. But yeah, this glue though was pretty easy to use, and it didn't leave a lot of mess, which I am happy for, because sometimes you use glue and it's just like a really messy situation. So I'm just doing that, and I'm gonna go in and like tie that down. Honestly, I was looking for my elastic band that I usually use to tie the edges of my hair, but I couldn't find it, so I just had to use the rapid styling strips. I think I'm going to, oh yeah, I blow dried my hair just a little bit, and then I tied it down just to get that lace to melt somewhat. And then I'm going to go in and cut the extra lace off. And guys, look at that. That looks so good. Like the hairline is just pretty amazing. And I'm just cutting the extra lace off. And guys, the length of the hair, I really don't remember, but I'll put it in the description box. All information that you need on this hair, the links to purchasing it will be in the description box. This is definitely a unit to have. And yeah, after cutting the lace off, guys, I'm just gonna go in. I didn't know if I wanted baby hairs or not on this unit. I did go in after cutting the lace off, and I did do some plucking. You don't have to pluck this unit because it comes just really beautiful already, but I just wanted to pluck it a little bit more because I wanted it to look like really natural. And you know, I was just like doing the most. I really took the time out to do my hair. The part though that came, another thing, the part, it didn't line up really well on my head shape, so I couldn't have like my side part all the way up there. And because the hair was already parted on that side, I kept it on that side. And I feel like I never wear my hair parted on that side, so it is kind of weird for me. It feels weird. I should have just like done my hair on the other side. But yeah, don't mind my part that you'll see me make, because I don't know, it's not the side that I usually wear my hair on, so I don't think I did a really good job in terms of getting that parting together. But yeah, the original parting that came was just not where it was supposed to be. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just like parting out a thin layer of the hair at the front, and then I'm just going with my tweezers, and I'm plucking the hairs. And guys, I didn't want to have any like sideburns or whatever going on. Honestly, I didn't want any baby hairs at all. I don't know how I ended up with like the little sweeps that I do have, but yeah, I didn't want any sideburns. I wanted it to all go like to the back, just like that coming out of your scalp kind of effect. That's what I was going for. So I literally did that, and then here comes my part, which I couldn't figure out. But this is the part, don't clown me for it, because I don't know why I even did my hair on that side when that's not where I wear my part. But yeah, what side do you guys wear your part on? I wear my part on the left side because I'm right-handed, so it's easier to style. So yeah, tell me down in the comments what side you wear your parts on. And guys, if you're this far in the video, now is a good time to like, comment down below. It's a good time to like this video, and it is a good time, a very good time, to subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on so you never miss a beat. You never miss when I do upload, and just like become a part of the fam. Guys, we're trying to grow here like 100K. Is that you? I'm trying to see you like a dead ass. But yeah, guys, if you are a returning subscriber too, like, thank you for always coming back. I love you guys so much. You got no idea. And if you're new here, hey girl, like, become a part of the fam. And that's just on that. But yeah, guys, this is what the hair is looking like. And this is me. I think I'm gonna use my hot comb now just to like smooth everything, and then I'll go in and make the baby hairs. I'm not the very best with doing baby hairs. Really am not. So don't like clown my baby hairs if you don't think it's like, you know, it's like fire. But guys, I feel like this unit did turn out to look really nice. I like the curls on it, like the waves, like, so literally it wasn't much work. The hardest part was just like getting it installed, but besides that, you don't have to like curl anything. You don't gotta flat iron anything. Like, it's literally just a curly unit that you wet. And yeah, I use like some mousse, and that's it, and you're good to go. But this is what it's looking like. I think it looks super neat. I used some styling mousse just to set the baby hairs, and then I went in and I used some gel over top. Guys, I don't know why I can't talk, like I'm sick of myself. But yeah, I kept doing that, and I was loving how it was looking. Then I added the gel just so that it could be neat and not move. And then I did like 2 little swoops on the other side. I really did not want any baby hairs, but yeah, this is what I came up with. I think it looks super good. Let me know down below what y'all think. I think that I did a good job. Good job, girl. Like, you did that. This was before I put makeup on the part. I feel like I should have left the part without makeup. You're gonna see after the fact. But yeah, I ended up wiping out some of that makeup because I feel like it was just way too much. The part looked way better and way more realistic without all the extra makeup that I put on the part. But yeah, it still looked pretty good. And to style the hair, I literally just wet the entire hair up, detangle it, and then I went in with some mousse and I brushed through with the mousse, and then I literally just scrunched the hair up, and that's it. And then I let it air dry. I know at the end of the video the hair will not seem as like full and as fluffy as it really is, but guys, remember that the hair was like wet when I was ending the video, but once it like dries, it gets fluffy and just like really nice. Not fluffy crazy looking, but it gets fluffy and it just looks really cute. Yeah, I really enjoyed this hair. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. If you are interested in getting this hair, then you should definitely do that. The link for this hair will be down in the description box. And yeah, like this video, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that's literally it, guys. Like, that's literally it. Everything else is self-explanatory. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I really love you guys. I love you guys oh so much. Continue watching, enjoy, and I'll catch you in my next one, babies. Bye. Mwah.
Batman, me I come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.